Good morning, Thursday. Kan nagdakag basura.
Oo, di no. Wala nang malabay. Labay sana kami.
Labay sa ka. Say hi, Daddy. They're going to school. We're very early. We're gonna walk towards the school bus stop. Third day?
Yeah, third.
Yeah. Third. Oh, okay. Tuesday naman mo nag-start sa school, right?
No, it's our fourth because tomorrow's the last.
Ah, okay. Okay na lang. There's a squirrel, oh, running in the street. Hindi man maklaro. Tayo, play sila. Mukross na tadaan ta, mga anak. Oh, Daddy, we're gonna wait for Daddy in the other side. Okay, para. Ready na to.
Why did you bring a camera?
Huh? Because Daddy wants to take a video of you guys. Wow, nice of hair. Who did your hair, Cassandra? Me? Ay,
No, Daddy.
Si Daddy. Di man to kamo si Daddy. Good.
Daddy never tied a hair.
Oh, di mo siya kamao na. Daddy ay.
Well, I know how to tie his hair.
Paspasa ko na ning sakyanan na. Huwag siya mo minor. Uy. Huwag mo minor to siya da.
Nasiguro to.
Tana. Let's go. Come on, guys. Oh, Daddy. Let's go. Hinay-hinay, niglakaw. Padung sa bus stop sa Pikas Esquina.
Dito na kami school kuya?
Yeah, but I'm not excited to wake up at 6.
No, waking up at 6 is okay. Gloomy siya today. Kay uulan mamaya mga 2 PM. Nag-regular class na mo kuya? No? Not yet? Okay. Na truck. Truck, oh. Sa kanina yung deliver. Faster. Faster. Oh no.
Ano sa to?
Nami sa school bus na yung garbage truck,
Sa
oh.
school bus. Bus stop. Sa
Sa
siguro.
bus stop, sa school bus. Sa school bus stop ba? Maski ano yung friend. Yung bus ang
Hindi
kuwan.
na kinahanglang tigyabo lang, no?
Yun na, automatic na.
Driver dyan ang need, no? Ang driver po din na magawa ng kamot.
Garbage truck.
Ang kuwan na siya, ang mga food waste kaya, ha?
Oh, food waste.
So, ang ground din naman. Tunong ganiyan, no? Amazing. Ako din makatunong. Yabo.
Bro, na may camera siguro.
Pang compost din. Sa no na compost.
Kasi ordure flow.
Ano, French ko.
Here.
Okay.
See you later. Oh, love you.
Don't forget to hug your sister, okay? Okay.
So yeah, see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care, guys. Have a good day.
Yan ang bus.
Ito na sila sa school bus. Ano ng bus 411. Si Campo Iro. Black kan silas dako eh. Balik na.
Nabalik na.
Gihanga ko eh.
Nabalik na, gikan mi dito naglakaw.
Ano to kauwan no?
Gloomy lagi today, no?
Okay. Muna to, musakan ako. Siya, mo kuan na kay kuan na ba ako naka-leave na ba ta pensionada no.
Work na sad. Sige lang, it's Thursday. One more day.
Si Daddy. Mora to guys. That's it for this morning sa among Thursday. Thank you so much for watching. Buyers.